continuing with 8.1 question number 15. So it says compare the following. So same thing again, okay, we just have to see which is bigger, right, or smaller, right? Okay, A 2:3 and 3:4. So which we can simply write 2:3 as 2 by 3 and 3:4 as 3 by 4, right? What's asked to compare, clear? So now when you look at the denominators, they are both different, which means I have to find the LCM. All right, so if I try to find the LCM of 3 and 4, it will simply be 3 1s 3 and then 4 1s are 4, which means my LCM is 4 3s are, or 3 4s are 12, right? So I've written down the first. Now we have to write down the numerator, right? So I've written then 3, how many times are 12? 3 4s are 12. Now if you multiply 4 2s are, you'll get 8, and then the common LCM is 12, right? So I've written the next again. So write down the numerator 3, right? I've written then 4, how many times are 12? 4 3s are 12, then 3 3s are 9, and I'm going to get 9 by 12. If you look here, you will see that 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12, right? Or 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3, which I've already written for us here. Let's do one more. 3:5 and 4:7. So same thing again, okay, we have to find the LCM first. So LCM of 7 and 5, if I try to find it again, it will simply be the number itself, right? 5 1s are 5, then 7 1s are 7, right? So if I multiply this two, I'm going to get LCM to be 35. So write down the numerator first. It is 3, right? Then 5 how many times are 35? 5 7s are 35, then 3 7s are 21, and I'll have a 21 by 35. Write down the numerator again. 4 7, how many times are 35? 7 5s are 35, then 4 5s, when you multiply you'll get 20, and then we'll have 20 by 35. So it is clear that 21 by 35 is greater than 20 by 35. So 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. That's it. All right. Alright, the last question, question number 16. We have already done this a lot of times. Find two equivalent ratios of the following, right? So this 17:34 can be written as 17 by 34. That's it, equivalent ratios. So multiply, divide by the same number, right? So multiply, divide by the same number. They just said 2, okay? So I'm doing 2 2 3 3. You can take 4 4 5 5, but it has to be same, okay? You cannot take 2 3 4 5 like that. It has to be 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5, and it continues, clear? Then 17 2s are 34, 34 into 2s are 68, 17 3s are 51, 34 3s are 102. Therefore 34, this 34 by 68 can be written as what? 34 is to 68. Same thing for this, right? I can write it as 51 is to 102. So these two are the equivalent ratios, clear? So let's do one more. Same thing again, I'm doing for D. 10 is to 40, or 10 by 40. So like I said, see, 3 3 4 4, right? You can take 5 5, you can take 60, you can take 7 7, 8 8. It's up to you. After simply multiply, 10 3s are 30, 40 3s are 120, 10 4s are 40, 14 to 4 160. So the two equivalent ratios are 30 is to 120 and 40 is to 160.